Okay, so in this video we're going to talk about how to pack away. Norman loves to go on holiday, he loves to travel, and over the holidays he's looked after by different children. So at this particular time we've got the summer holidays coming up. Norman will be spending some time at different people's homes, and at the end of his holiday, what we need to do is to start to pack things away. So first things first, we're going to take out things like his log and his calcium block out. They'll go into a bag like this, very simple. Okay, so what we'll do, we're going to pop the log in there, nice and easy. His calcium block out. I'm just going to pop this here for the ease of the video so you can see. Okay. Now, what we'll then do, we've got some food left over, there we go. What I'll do, he hasn't eaten that today, so we're going to throw that away, okay, and then we'll place that in the bag as well. And then we've got his water, and there's still some water in there. If I can lift it up, there we go. There we go. So again, we throw the water away, and then his water bowl can go in the bag as well. Now the most difficult thing about Norman moving home is taking out the substrate. The substrate, you will be provided with a scoop. You scoop it up and it can go into the bag, ready to be used again. Okay, it is reusable. Now, what you'll need to do before we do that is just do a spot check, make sure there's no poo in there. Generally, if you're spot checking anyway, there won't be any. So have a little look around, make sure there's nothing there. If there is, just take it out, remove it, and that's absolutely fine. So when you've taken everything out, take the substrate out, it goes in the bag, and then it will be left nice and bare. I would only do this probably an hour or two before he's collected. What we'll do is give people a call to let you know that we're on our way and what time we'll be there, so you can plan this accordingly. It probably takes around about 10 minutes maximum. It's not a big task, and it's one of those things that has to be done really. So everything's been popped into the bag now. There we go. Pop this out of the way. Norman can remain in here without the substrate. It's not ideal, but it's fine for moving home. And the last thing we do is we turn the lights off and we unhook it. Just make sure it can be quite warm, so I'd leave it just be extra safe, and it can just sit there. Unplug it to the wall, pop the lead in, and that's really it. It'll be bare, just the light, everything will be in his bag, and he'll be ready to be collected. Now, when he does get collected, all you'll need to do is pop the tortoise Norman into his transport box, because he's getting transported. This is the last thing we do, and this will be when he's collected. In he goes. There he goes. And then he'll be given to the person collecting him. They'll take Norman in the box. They'll take away the table, which will be empty. The reason we empty it is because it makes sure that it keeps it nice and light and transportable. And then he'll be taken away to his new home. And when he arrives at the new home, what they'll do is plug the lamp in, hook it up, add the substrates, add all the different items, and he's ready to go again, and it's like he's never moved. And that's it really. That's everything for the tortoise and how we get ready for his end of holiday. Okay, thanks for watching.